You keep losing and blowing up multiple accounts, not because your strategy is bad. Your real trading problem might not be from your strategy, it might be your timing in Nigerian time. Most beginner traders lose not because their strategy is not working or not profitable. They lose because they trade at the wrong time. The Forex market runs 24 hours a day, but not every hour is profitable or worth trading. The Forex market runs all the day, 24 hours a day, but not every hour gives you the trading opportunity you are looking for, because there are active sessions and also dead sessions. In the active sessions are where the market is very liquid and there are surplus of buyers and sellers in the market placing buys and sell orders. And in the dead session is when the market is very quiet, and when the market is very quiet, price moves in any direction it feels like, which is very bad, and it usually trigger stop losses around those times, because the market can be very volatile and just misbehaving, moving in any direction. It may stop you out of the market anytime. That is why you are advised to always trade during an active session. Here are the list of trading sessions in Nigerian time. The Tokyo session starts from 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. Nigerian time, and the London session starts from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. And the New York session starts from 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. Nigerian time. Please take your time and know this time, because they are very important. The outcome of your trading results mostly depends on the time and other factors, so the time is a key factor. The best trading session is always the London session, because that is when volatility spikes and there is enough liquidity for it to move the market more than other sessions. So you should always focus on the London session. Whenever the London session is open, you should always be ready to take a trade if you are a scalper. The best trading time is when the New York and the London session overlap. That is the beginning of New York and the ending of London session. The first session is the London session. That is before the New York session. Now, I'm not talking about the general trading sessions. I'm talking about the between London session and the New York session. The session that comes first is the London session. So when the London session is almost at the end, that is when New York session starts. So when the New York session opens immediately, that's what we call the overlap. The overlap is when the two sessions open at the same time. They overlap. The New York session overlap with the London session. That is what we call the overlap, and that is when volatility is high and there is a surplus of orders at that time. So it is the best time to grab opportunities. Opportunities are there to open, sell, or open positions. Best time to trade Forex in Nigeria are early mornings and late night, because most of the trading activities occurs during the London and the New York overlap, and any time aside that is the market is very quiet. So will be very quiet aside from those times. So that is why if you are a scalper, as a day trader, you need to catch your moves and look for opportunities during the London and the New York session, which is from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Nigerian time. When I used to be a scalper, I used to trade at random hours. I place trade anytime I feel like. but I realized that trading anytime actually affects your trading, and that is why I had to figure it out myself and know the best times to trade. Although I am now a swing trader, I don't scalp anymore. When everything changed, when I started using this simple rule, I don't trade when there is no active session. When I was a scalper, when I see that the trading session is not active, I just stay out of the market and I trade when the market is most active. Subscribe for more videos like this. Subscribe for